I was 10 years old when the Battle of Arbúcies broke out, during the War of the Spanish Succession. I helped my parents at the Molly de la Pipe. It was a peaceful place, where the constant murmur of the water and the grinding stones marked the passing of the days. None of us could have imagined that such a quiet corner would end up witnessing one of the harshest episodes of the war. I remember it was the 13th of January, 1714, when a column of Walloon soldiers arrived in Arbúcies. Under the command of Colonels Cano and Francleur, they entered the village with hundreds of men and horses. The soldiers took over the streets, broke into houses, and mistreated the locals. That day, for the first time, I understood that fear had entered our homes and that the war was no longer just a distant story. That night I could hardly sleep. From my hiding place, I heard how the men of Arbúcies and the neighbouring villages gathered in secret. It was the Somme tent, local people rising up to defend their homes. I was afraid, but at the same time I felt a deep sense of pride, knowing that at dawn they would fight. At dawn, the clatter of hooves and the clash of weapons woke me. Those soldiers were heading toward Vic. When they reached the narrow pass of Graudensaler, our men ambushed them and opened fire from behind the rocks, high above the gorge. The Bourbon troops found themselves trapped, with no room to maneuver. They hesitated between advancing or retreating, but the strength of our men forced them to fall back. The Bourbons fled, with Colonel Francleur leading the retreat. Amid the chaos, horses fell dead, and the men abandoned weapons and packs to move more quickly. The retreat was chaotic. Many soldiers fell, and others fled as best they could to Hostalric. The army split into two. Francleur, forced to flee, managed to regroup the two battalions on a hill half a league from Hostalric. Of the 800 men, many had not survived, and others had deserted. News of the Miquelet's victory spread, but that joy did not last long. With the arrival of spring, 5,000 men, led by General Bracamonte, returned to Arbúcies to punish the town. The village was looted and burned. Only the church remained standing. Everything I knew turned to ashes, but from those ruins a shared memory was born, one that, over the years, became a source of pride. Arbúcies, land of cunning people, slayers of Walloons.